Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Aura frame is not connecting to the internet or Wi-Fi, it can stop your photos from syncing and updating, which takes away the whole experience of having a live digital frame. This issue can feel confusing because the frame may still turn on and look normal, but without a proper connection, it won't receive new pictures or updates from the app. In most cases, the problem is related to network settings, signal strength, or temporary connection glitches rather than a serious fault in the device. The key is to go step by step and make sure both your frame and Wi Fi network are working together correctly. Once everything is set up properly, your frame should reconnect and start displaying photos again without any issues. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix this connection problem quickly and effectively. Try these. 1. Check that your Wi Fi network is working properly on other devices. 2. Restart your Aura frame to refresh its connection. 3. Open the Aura app and ensure your frame is selected correctly. 4. Re-enter your Wi-Fi password and reconnect the frame to the network. 5. Move the frame closer to the router to improve signal strength. 6. Update the Aura app and ensure the frame firmware is up to date.